Welcome to this detailed review of the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, also known as CHOP. This is a highly ranked pediatric hospital located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and it's often featured in national rankings for its specialized care. However, beyond the accolades, what's it really like for a patient and their family? When you first enter CHOP, the hospital's design and environment immediately stand out. It's clearly tailored for children, with bright colors, engaging artwork, and a layout that attempts to feel less clinical. Navigating through the facility can be overwhelming at first due to its size, but there are plenty of signs and staff available to help direct visitors. Check-in is usually efficient, especially if you've pre-registered online. The staff at the front desk are courteous, although during high-traffic hours, the wait can be frustrating. Security presence is noticeable but not intrusive, which adds a level of reassurance. Once checked in, you're guided to the appropriate department based on the nature of the visit, whether it's for outpatient services, diagnostics, or a more critical inpatient stay. In terms of medical care, CHOP truly shines in specialized pediatric services. Their team includes world-renowned doctors and specialists in oncology, cardiology, neurology, and more. The medical staff are highly skilled, and their communication with patients and families is generally strong. However, there can be inconsistencies in how well updates are communicated between shifts or departments, particularly in long-term care scenarios. The waiting times vary significantly depending on the department and urgency. For emergency visits, you can expect to wait anywhere from 1 to 5 hours depending on the situation. Scheduled appointments tend to run closer to on time, though there are occasional delays. Many useful links you can find in the description. Inpatient rooms are designed with family members in mind. Most rooms have a pull-out bed or recliner for a parent to stay overnight, and there are facilities like a family lounge, cafeteria, and support groups on site. Cleanliness standards are high, and rooms are cleaned daily. However, food options in the cafeteria are somewhat limited and may not cater well to dietary restrictions. One aspect that families often mention positively is the level of emotional support offered. Child life specialists are available to help children cope with hospital visits, and social workers provide guidance on logistics, financial aid, and navigating insurance. That said, the billing process is complicated, with multiple departments issuing separate invoices. Resolving these often requires follow-ups and can cause added stress. Parking is another downside. Although there is a dedicated parking garage, it can be expensive and gets crowded during peak hours. There are shuttle services and some public transport options nearby, but they're not always convenient for families coming from outside Philadelphia. For follow-up care, CHOP offers robust outpatient services, and telehealth appointments are an option for many specialties. The MyCHOP patient portal is helpful for accessing test results, appointment schedules, and communication with your care team. That said, not all departments respond promptly through the portal, so urgent matters still require phone calls. Overall, the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia provides high-quality pediatric care backed by extensive resources and skilled professionals. But it's not without its issues. Wait times, complex billing, and parking are common concerns. Despite this, the overall experience is largely positive, especially when specialized treatment is needed. If this review helped you understand more about CHOP and what to expect, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest healthcare reviews.